Hi, and welcome to the novel unit. The novel you're going to be reading is called Brave New World, and it was written by Aldous Huxley in 1931. And it's a story of a future society which is totally controlled by its government. And it questions issues like, what is it like to be civilized? What does it mean? And does being civilized always mean being happy? There's a couple of complicated ideas in this text, and I'm just going to explain a couple of them here. Firstly, a dystopia is the worst imaginable future, the worst imaginable society, the opposite to a utopia. Secondly, utilitarianism is an idea which you may come across. That essentially means a government which aims to favor society over the individual. So it doesn't matter what happens to each individual person, their freedoms, their lifestyle, so long as society is happy. So when you're reading this novel, there's a set of assignments where you need to fill in chapter summaries. You need to do this at least every 3 chapters to make sure that you understand what's going on. Send that in to the teacher, and we can check on whether you're understanding the novel or not. Also, it's a great way of jotting down some ideas that you're going to come back to in the longer assignments later on. Once you've read the novel, there are some short answer questions to do with the themes and the ideas that come up. And then after that, you need to select a different novel that you're going to read that could be different from somebody else's. There's a list on the website of novels that have a similar theme, and we suggest that you pick something on that list. If you want to pick something completely different, then send an email in to your teacher, let them know, and we'll consider it. Once you've finished that second novel, you don't have to do any short summaries or short answer questions. The main thing is there's a final essay on a comparative study between either some of the characters, some of the ideas of the 2 novels. And this is really essential because on the English 10 Provincial there is a comparative essay asking you to compare either 2 pieces of poetry or poetry and short story. Also, there's a couple of chances for you to reflect on how well you did by filling in the self-reflection forms. Like I've said before, it's a great way of improving your performance. So good luck. Spend some time really getting into these novels. It's going to be hopefully really interesting for you, and it will definitely help develop your understanding of the world and your reading ability. So good luck.